This is Denise with the Blog Squad, and we are with David Bullock, who's going to be presenting a little bit later today. We're at Blog World Expo in Las Vegas. Good morning, David.
Good morning.
So, David, you've been here for the last couple of days, right?
Yes.
What's your biggest takeaway from what you've heard so far here at Blog World Expo?
Well, there's a huge gap between corporate blogging and blogging for the love of it. And the person who's able to actually bridge the gap between doing it for the search engine traffic and for the passion of it and actually for the profitability will actually rule the both worlds. So that's what I'm taking away. I'm saying the dichotomy of, I guess, theory and philosophy on what blogging is for, how it should be used, why it should be used, and for what purpose. Mm-hmm. So that's what I'm here for, and I'm learning a lot.
Okay, and how are you going to implement that into your own business?
What I'm going to do is most likely take the blogging to a next level as far as search engine optimization and actually do a lot more linking for the search terms I really don't want to just rank for it temporarily, but actually get there and stay there so I can actually have a permanent place on the internet.
All right. And where can people find you online?
You can find me at davidbullock.com.
All right. And what are you speaking about today?
I'm speaking about how to take your business to a blog and actually how to turn your blog into a business from a strategic as well as tactical point.
Okay. I bet that's going to be a popular session today.
I hope so.
I'll be there.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Thank you, David.
Thank you.